We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look.
We got our mold test results back very quickly. He gave us some good advice on a possible cause of the problem that no one else noticed. And I'd had quite a few mold remediation companies out here. Quick service, reasonable price. I'm satisfied with the service and the report.
Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.